Hi guys, I am Kritika S. Pursuing Bachelor of Pharmacy in SNS College of Pharmacy. Our college is Indian First Institute to implement the curricular activities. Today I am here to present the CLT, that is Center for Learning and Teaching. In CLT I am gonna present about the artificial intelligence in heat transfer. Artificial intelligence heat transfer. Artificial intelligence is a theory and a development of the computer science that can perform the task that normally require the human intelligence. Artificial intelligence of heat transfer. A perform evolution of counterflow heat exchange in a complex because of steady and unlinear natures of its operation conditions. An efficient neutral network NN based tools was developed for estimating the outlet temperature of working fluid from such a heat exchangers. For this purpose, a series of repeated experiments were conducted and prepared with generalized regression neutral network GRNN modeling. GRNN horticulture proposed in this study consists of 4 inputs such as cold fluid rate, cold fluid inlet temperature, hot fluid flow rate and hot fluid inlet temperature, and 2 inputs cold fluid outlet temperature and hot fluid outlet temperature. Such as GNRR horticulture was trained and tested and validated with real-time and experimental data set. The overall accuracy of the purpose of GRNN modeling is predicting the output are 98.50% and 96.46%. Here we are going to see the heat transfer. Heat transfer under the topic heat transfer, objection and applications, mechanism of heat transfer, Fourier's law. Heat transfer. Heat transfer is a physical process involving the transfer of heat from hot place to cold place. Heat transfer occurs due to temperature difference. Its driving force between the point whether the heat is received and whether the heat is originated. Heat flow tends to flow from high point to high temperature to low temperature. The example of heat transfer, when we heat the pan, the burner is under the pan and the pan heated and they transfer to the handlebar. Objection of heat transfer. It transfer through the medium, liquid or solid. It may also transfer through the surrounding air. Application of heat transfer. Evaporation. Evaporation is a process. Liquid transfer into gas through the heat by using heat. Distillation. It is a process of separating the compound of mixture based on the different boiling point. We find the boiling point through the heat. Drying. Removal of water and other solvent by the evaporation of solid or semi-solid. Sterilization. Any process that removes or kills or reactivation all the form of life. Example, microorganisms. Mechanism of heat transfer. Mechanism of heat transfer involving the two processes, convection, radiation. Conduction. The heat is in this. The heat transfer in a solid in series. It may through flow, but it's action. Conduction. In this heat transfer in a solid in series. It may be through fluid, but fluid cannot be stationary. In this the particles are directly connected with each other and heat the transfer through one by one. It is depend upon the temperature gradient because the heat transfer from high temperature to low temperature. Here the example of conduction. When we heat the rod at one end, the heat transfer occurs by the molecules nearby the molecules. It transfers the heat from one molecules to another molecules. Conduction. Now we prove the heat at one end of the substance, that particles of that end vibrating vigorously. Then they collide at neighboring and transfer their energy. In this process should be continuous until the last end particle should absorb the heat. Convection. In this the transfer of heat through the movement of liquid, in which initial position of particle observe the heat turned and displaced with the initially positioned particles. It is also mode of the heat transfer which occurs mostly in liquid and gases. In this method, heat transfer takes place with the actual motion of the matter from one place within the body to another. Example, this is an example of convection in which hot water at bottom become lighter and moves upward, forcing the cold and denser water at the top to come down. This heated up. Last one, radiation. It is another form of heat transfer. It does not require any medium and can be used for transfer of heat in a vacuum as well. In this method, using the electromagnetic waves which transfer the heat from one place to another. Example of radiation. Example of heat transfer radiation. A burning candles and a hot frisks emit the radiation in the form of heat or light. Fourier's law. This law states that the rate of heat flow through the uniform material is proportional to the area and temperature difference, while it is inversely proportional to the length path of the flow. Q is equal to minus K dot delta T. Q is the local heat flux density. K, it is the material conductivity. Delta T is the temperature gradient. In the form of Fourier's law of the thermal conductivity, show that the local heat flux density is equal to the product of thermal conductivity and the negative local temperature gradient minus Tt. The heat flux density is the amount of heat that flows through the unit area per unit time. Here is the wall. The heat is transferred from the one end to another end. The heat transfer from T1 and to T2. The interface between the walls is denoted by K, and the temperature difference in here. Here the temperature is greater than the temperature 2, and the heat transfer through the T2 is area is denoted by A. The Fourier's law is equal. Therefore, the Fourier's law is equal to Qx is equal to minus K into A into dt by dx. Fourier's law describes the rate of heat conduction in the solid. Boundary conduction. X is equal to x1, x is equal to x2, and xt is equal to t1 and t is equal to t2. Separating the variables ingredient from x1 to x. Fourier's law derivation. The rate of conduction directly proportional to the area and the temperature difference. The heat transfer is equal to Ta into T1 minus T2 divided by delta x is equal to minus Ka delta T divided by delta x. Whether the delta x is equal delta x is therefore 0. The following equations reduced from the form to form a different forms. Heat transfer is equal to minus K into A into delta T by delta dx. The third dimension from the Fourier's law is given by Q vector is equal to minus K into inversely delta T. Reference on the book Pharmaceutical Engineering by Jeevan Jyoti. Heat transfer by Frank Yark, Raj M. Mangalak. Pharmaceutical Engineering by Dr. Pradhar. On website issues.com, byjuice.com, slideshare.com. Thank you.